Don't waste your time. Can you meet me halfway? Meet me halfway.
Cause I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me.
You want to feed him? Here you go. It's a bird.
Whoa. Come on.
Here we are again. Here we are again.
Don't grab my hands. I guess it kind of all looks the same, doesn't it? Good boy. Oh my gosh.
Here she comes, Dad. Mad at you, because I told her no.
Somebody like dropped him off or something.
Your jaw, please. Let me get my... No. We're not going to start on the other one. No, we're going to take it easy. We're going to take it easy. Take it easy.
This dog's kind of crazy with it. Hey, fool. Why you woo-woo-wooing at me, fool?
Oh, you angry? Oh, you angry, sweetie.
Oh, you a better girl than me.
She's a big one.